Hello everyone, welcome to Siggy Cooks. In this video, I've shared how to prepare instant quinoa dosa without using rice and without the need for fermentation. I've also shared a simple to make yet super tasty tomato chutney that tastes super delicious with this quinoa dosa. Quinoa is very high in protein and has much fiber content compared to most other grains. So this recipe is a great way to include quinoa regularly in our diet. I've taken 1.5 cups of quinoa, half cup steel cut oats, half cup whole white urad dal, 1/3 cup thick poha or flattened rice, 1 tablespoon chana dal, and 1 tablespoon tur dal. Wash well in water. Gently rub with your hands and wash well 2 to 3 times until water runs clear. Drain all water and add half teaspoon methi or fenugreek seeds. Soak in water for a minimum of 3 hours. Quinoa and all dals are now well soaked after 3 hours. You can grind in a grinder or mixer jar, but grinding in wet grinder always gives smooth and fluffy batter. Grind them until smooth. Take the batter in a mixing bowl, add required salt, 1 teaspoon grated ginger, few curry leaves, finely chopped green chilies, and half teaspoon coarsely ground cumin pepper powder. Mix well and let the batter rest for few minutes. To prepare chutney in a cooking pan, add 1 tablespoon sesame oil, add 1 tablespoon chana dal, and few red chilies. Quickly stir until dal changes color. Now add 2 medium-sized chopped onions. Saute until onions turn transparent. Add 1 teaspoon grated ginger. Add little salt to avoid the dals from getting over roasted. Saute for a minute. Add 2 large-sized chopped tomatoes. Add required salt. Saute until tomatoes turn soft. Now switch off flame. Add 1/4 teaspoon hing. Mix well. Allow to cool, then grind them smooth. Add the grinded chutney to the same cooking pan. Add more water as required. This chutney tastes good prepared in a thin consistency. Chana dal will help to thicken the chutney and will give a smooth glossy texture. To prepare tempering, add 1 tablespoon sesame oil. To the hot oil, add half teaspoon each mustard seeds and urad dal. Add few curry leaves and allow to splutter. Switch off flame immediately after the chutney begins to boil. Add the prepared tempering. Mix well. Add more curry leaves for fresh flavor. And your super tasty tomato chutney is now ready. To prepare dosa, spread a scoop of batter on greased tawa. Add oil on the edges and inside. Turn over when it's well roasted on one side. And cook the other side for few more seconds. And your instant crispy quinoa dosa is now ready. Enjoy with delicious tomato chutney. I hope you give these recipes a try and don't forget to share your feedbacks on how you liked it. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe so that you can stay updated with all my future video uploads. See you very soon in another interesting recipe. Until then, happy cooking and stay healthy.